So today we're going to look at properties of logarithms. And let's see what we're looking at today. So we're asked to evaluate the following. Okay. All right. So here we have log base 2 of 32 equals. We need to figure out what that equals. So remember, if we have the logarithm, logarithm base b of, say, I don't know, y equals x, this is the same as saying base b raised to the power x equals y. So the logarithm is the inverse of the exponential function. So here we need to determine 2 raised to what power equals 32. Well, that equals 5. All right, so b, this one's interesting. Log base 2 of 64 raised to the power 1 over 5 equals what? Well, first let's apply one of the properties of logarithms, which allows us to take this 1 over 5 and bring it down. So we have 1 over 5 times log base 2 of 64. So now we can look at this and see if we can find an exponent, figure out what exponent 2 needs to be raised to give us 64. Well, I think that's 6. Let's give that a try. 2 raised to the power 6 is indeed 64. So we have 1/5. We need that times 6. That's our answer. So our answer is 6 over 5. Good. All right, next one. Log base 3 of 1 over 27. So why don't we rewrite the 1 over 27 as 27 raised to the power -1. And again, just as above, we can take the -1 and multiply it by log base 3 of 27. Now we need to determine, can 3 be raised to some number to give us 27? Yes. 3 raised to the power 3 is 27. So -1 times 3, and our answer is -3. Good. All right, we have a couple more. So log base 7 of 21 minus log base 7 of 3. So we have the same base. So this, and we're subtracting the 2 logs with the same base. So this means we can divide the log base 7 of 21 divided by 3. What's 21 divided by 3? That's 7. So 7 raised to what power gives us 7? Equals 1. Good. All right, last one. Log base 9 of 27 plus log base 9 of 3 equals what? The same base, and we're adding, so this means we can multiply the 27 and 3 together. What is 27 times 3? I believe that's 81. So log base 9 of 81. 9 raised to what power gives us 81? That's 2. Good. So it looks like we're done. And we evaluated all our expressions with logarithms using various properties. So if you have any questions, please send us an email at info@raisemymarks.com or give us a call day or night. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching.